I'm on my way to an airstrip in Hesperia, California. At this airstrip, they are planning to meet to have a car show and to have brunch, I believe, at the restaurant there on the property. The purpose for this place is have a place for the locals to hang out and to race. As I'm pulling up, see quite a few cars here, out here on the street, still on trailers. I can't believe how big this crowd is. So many people here. Very encouraging to see the support of those car enthusiasts that just want to get out of the house and enjoy. There's a nice Cadillac sitting here. A lot of modern muscle cars. I really like the 65 El Camino with the tunnel ram sticking out of it. Old school street car. Very nice vet. Camaro tucked away back here. Like he got some street slicks. Got a few imports tucked away back here on the side in the corner. Up, what do we have here? Nice Nomad. Yeah, there were cars everywhere. Classic cars, hot rods, modern muscle. They were all out here enjoying and trying to support this event. Really love the 67 Nova, this patina truck, Chevy Love, 1970 Chevelle, Dodge Dart, my buddy's Dodge Dart. Of course, he asked the owner if they can do a demonstration for us. It was only supposed to go 60 feet. I don't know why I didn't video the burnout. But as you can tell by the sound of those motors, they went a little further than 60 feet.